Welcome to Financing on Autopilot, the AI revolution in personal budgeting. This video is a guide to firing yourself as your own bookkeeper and reclaiming your mental peace. We are exploring a new kind of AI that manages your money so you don't have to. The constant stress of managing every dollar is exhausting. You may feel the dread of opening the spreadsheet, or the feeling of living paycheck to paycheck despite your best efforts. What if the whole idea of manual budgeting is fundamentally broken? The advice to spend less than you earn can be bad advice for modern lives. Every purchase becomes a stressful math problem. Managing finances manually is like taking on a second, full-time job, leading to decision fatigue and anxiety. Static spreadsheets fail dynamic lives. For shift workers or freelancers, income is a roller coaster. Traditional budgets are built for the predictable 9-to-5 world, not for those with variable income. Enter the era of the 24/7 financial assistant. Autonomous finance is not just a smarter calculator. It's a system designed to do the heavy lifting. The reality is a proactive agent working in the background while you sleep. It works through encryption, pattern recognition, and prediction. It uses bank-level read-only encryption, so the AI can see the data but cannot touch the money. The AI learns your rhythm and predicts cash flow, spotting forgotten subscriptions. First, we have Clio, the personality choice. It's a chatbot that acts like a money-savvy friend. Key features include roast and hype modes, providing instant yes-no affordability answers. A free version is available, with Plus unlocking cash advances. Next, the Mission Control, Monarch Money. This is best for partners or complex households, managing money together. A key feature is a unified view to link accounts for shared expenses and goals. It spots recurring bills and provides weekly summaries. The design choice is Copilot Money, best for Apple users who appreciate interface design. It features ridiculously smart auto-categorization that learns habits quickly. Functionality includes a high-level view of finances and cash flow prediction. Finally, the DIY choice, Google Gemini Plus Sheets. This is best for users who don't want to link bank accounts or pay subscriptions. You export your bank CSV, upload it to Sheets, and ask Gemini to categorize expenses. It's hands-on but free. Autonomous finance helps eliminate the noise in your head. The shift moves you from panic to peace, ending decision fatigue. Bills are already accounted for, and you can enjoy guilt-free spending with the money left over. Tangible results can be seen in a 30-day test. The author let AI handle the discretionary budget for 30 days and found over $100 in, quote, spending leaks. The real win was facing an unexpected car repair without dread. To start, first identify your headache. Is it fear of overdraft, inability to save, or just chaos? Second, pick only one tool. Choose based on your need, whether a coach, an Apple user solution, or a tool for partners. Do not sign up for all of them. The challenge is a 7-day hands-off experiment. Connect your main checking account, then just live your life. The goal is to open the app once at the end of the week to see the patterns the AI spotted. This is a 1-week experiment, not a marriage. Reclaim your time and your peace of mind. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about ending the grinding anxiety of just getting by. Start one free trial today. You have nothing to lose but your stress.